Hi everyone, welcome to Cassandra's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to use our Citri Star Juicer. We've been selling this at Cassandra's Kitchen for years and it's been one of our top sellers. It's really easy to use, clean, and store. Do you ever have a recipe that requires a lot of citrus juice? Today I'm going to juice orange juice for my family to have it fresh. All you do after you cut the fruit in half is you place it down and press on it a little bit, and the juice will come out the spout right there. When you're done juicing, all you need to do is flip up the spout and you can pour the juice in a container. The Citri Star Juicer is also very easy to clean. You just remove the top, place it in the sink, and rinse all the pieces off. When you're done, place the pieces back on, and it comes with a nice plastic top, and you just place it under your countertops for easy storage. I use the Citri Star Juicer all the time to make margaritas for me and my friends. I've already started juicing some limes, so I'll just finish it off to get the half cup. And I'm gonna add it to the ice and the triple sec and tequila. Shake it up. And you have a margarita. Visit our website, cassandraskitchen.com, or our store in Bluffton, South Carolina to purchase your Citri Star Juicer today.